Hello students, how are you? I hope all you are fine. So children, on your screen you can see a poem. Let's read it. Apple tree, give your apples please to me. Shake your branches, don't wait. Put the apples on the plate. Children, do you like apples? Okay, now tell me, apple is a vegetable or a fruit? Yes, apple is a fruit. And what is potato? Is it a vegetable? Yes, potato is a vegetable. And what is rice? Rice is a food grain. And what is chicken? It comes into the category of meat. Okay, so children, all these are food that we eat. These are sources of food. So children, today's our topic is food for health. Let's read about it. Children, here is our next topic. Sources of food means from where do we get our food? Okay, so we have two sources of food, plants and animals. How many sources of food? Two. Very good. Plants and animals. A part of our food we get from plants and a part of our food we get from animals. So, example, the food we get from plants are vegetables, fruits, grains, and something other, and the other meats, eggs, and dairy products we get from animals. Okay, children, हमारे फूड के कितने सोर्स हैं? टू, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल. प्लांट से हमें क्या क्या मिलती हैं? सब्जियां मिलती हैं, फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं और अनाज मिलते हैं. एंड एनिमल से हमें क्या मिलते हैं? मीट मिलते हैं, एग्स मिलते हैं और मिल्क वगैरह मिलते हैं. ओके, सो हमारे सोर्स कितने हैं फूड के? टू, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so we should always take a balanced diet in our food. Okay, now you will think that what is balanced diet? So balanced diet is a meal that contains all type of nutrients, proteins, carbohydrate and vitamins in right proportion. Okay children, balanced diet वो भोजन होता है जिनमें सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स, प्रोटीन, विटामिन्स और कार्बोहाइड्रेट एक राइट प्रोपोर्शन में मिले होते हैं. सो आपको हमेशा एक बैलेंस डाइट लेनी चाहिए. ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बैलेंस डाइट वी कैन डिवाइड फूड इन थ्री ग्रुप्स: एनर्जी गिविंग फूड्स, body building foods and protective foods. Okay, here you can see the first one is energy giving food, second one is body building food, and third is protective food. What are energy giving foods? Those foods that give us energy to do any work. Okay, when you run very much or when you have to play, what do you need? You need energy, and from where do you get it? From food. So which food gives you energy? Rice, potatoes, sweets, sugar and bread. These are food that give you energy. Okay, second group is bodybuilding food. Okay, here bodybuilding food. So which food gives you what this type of energy? What means bodybuilding food? Means those type of food that makes your bones and muscles strong. So when your bones and muscles will be strong, your body will be developed and you will grow, है ना? जब आपकी बोन्स एंड मसल्स स्ट्रांग होंगी तब आप बढ़ोगे, आपकी बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर भी बढ़ेगा. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ग्रो करने के लिए कौन से फूड चाहिए होते हैं आपको? पल्स, मिल्क एंड पीज, एग्स, grains. Here you can see the picture of these type of food that gives you bodybuilding capacity. Okay, so grains, pulses, peas, milk, eggs and meat are the food that makes our body strong. Third one is protective foods. What are protective foods? They protect our body from diseases. Okay, and they boost our immunity. So which type of food increase our immunity? Just think. Yes, all fruits and vegetables. All fruits and green vegetables especially are protective foods that we should take in our diet. Okay, because they protect us from different diseases. जितने फ्रूट्स हैं एंड वेजिटेबल्स हैं वो हमारे बॉडी को क्या करते हैं, बीमारियों से सेफ रखते हैं. सो हमें अपने भोजन में वेजिटेबल्स भी लेनी चाहिए और फ्रूट्स भी लेनी चाहिए. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, वी शुड हैव अ complete diet, a balanced diet of all these groups of food: energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. Means rice, potatoes, bread, butter, pearls, milk, eggs, and fruits and vegetables also. And last thing is water and fiber. We must have plenty of water because water helps in the digestion of our food, and fiber helps in the removal of waste materials from our body. Okay, so we should also include them in our diet. Let's come on our next topic: vegetarians and non-vegetarians. But before we read them, let's have some different terms. Children, why we cook food? हम भोजन पकाते क्यों हैं? Why can't we eat raw them? Because cooked food kills germs, and cooked food is easy to digest also. Cooked food is delicious. Okay, क्योंकि जब भोजन पक जाता है उसमें के सारे जो बैक्टीरियाज हैं वो उनकी डेथ हो जाती है, वो नष्ट हो जाते हैं. एंड सेकंड थिंग क्या होती है, भोजन पक जाने से वो टेस्टी हो जाता है और एक वो डाइजेस्ट करने में इजी हो जाता है. ठीक है, बिकॉज वो तब हल्का हो जाता है जब भोजन पक जाता है. इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, कुक्ड फूड खाते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, यू नो व्हाट आर स्पाइसेस? स्पाइसेस मीन्स मसाले. एंड व्हाट डू दे डू? Okay, now give me some examples of spices. Have you ever noticed spices in your kitchen? Yes, spices means masale. They are chili, turmeric, clove, pepper, and something other. Chili means mirch. मिर्च क्या करती है? It gives taste to your food, है ना, ये तीखा बनाती है आपके खाने को. एंड टर्मेरिक मीन्स हल्दी. It gives color, it gives yellow color to your vegetable ना. And clove means long. It also gives taste. Similar cases, pepper, and there are many spices in your kitchen. Observe them. So, and here's our next topic: vegetarians and non-vegetarians. What are vegetarians? Those persons who eat only plant and milk products. वो लोग जो सिर्फ पौधे या पौधे के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स जैसे वेजिटेबल्स या फ्रूट्स या फिर अनाज या मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं. ओके, मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स मीन्स दूध, दही, बटर, चीज, etc. Those persons are called vegetarians. And what are non-vegetarians? Those persons who eat plant products, milk products, and meat and eggs also. जो लोग प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स तो खाते हैं, मिल्क भी खाते हैं, बट वो एग भी खाते हैं और मीट भी खाते हैं. ओके, वो एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स भी खाते हैं, एनिमल्स के मीट वगैरह. उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉन वेजिटेरियन कहते हैं. एंड थर्ड वन इज ओवा वेजिटेरियंस. व्हाट आर ओवा वेजिटेरियंस? There are some persons who eat eggs but not milk products. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो एग्स तो खाते हैं, एग्स मीन्स अंडे, जो अंडे खाते हैं बट नॉट मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. वो मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं खाते. ओके, जैसे वो दूध, दही ये सब नहीं खाते, बट वो एग खाते हैं. तो उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? ओवा वेजिटेरियंस. So children, here we have three categories of the persons on the basis of their food: vegetarians who eat only plant and milk products, okay, non-vegetarians who eat plant products, milk along with meat and eggs, And over vegetarians who eat eggs but not milk products. Okay, and here's our next topic: meals eaten in a day. Children, how many times do you take your meal in a day? Yes, at least thrice in a day. Yes, every person takes his meal at least thrice in a day: in the morning, in the afternoon, and at the night. So, children, the food you take in the morning is called breakfast, and it is the first meal that you take in the morning. So, it is called breakfast, and it is called breakfast. The second meal you take in the afternoon, okay, in midday, it is called lunch. And the last meal that you take at the night is with your parents is called dinner. Okay, so we take thrice in a day, and what we say them: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, so you should never skip your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You should always take them at right time, and you should uh, include all types of food and vegetables, fruits, and milk in your diet because they give you energy. And here's our next and last topic: golden eating habits. Your parents tell you now how you should eat. So here are some habits that you should follow to stay safe and healthy. You should also follow these golden rules. So first rule is you should eat फ्रेश फूड. ओके, आपको हमेशा ताजे खाने खाने चाहिए, ताजी सब्जियां खानी चाहिए, ताजे फ्रूट खाने चाहिए. एंड डू नॉट टॉक वाइल ईटिंग. जब आप खाना खा रहे हो आपको बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज फूड विल स्टक इन योर माउथ. And chew properly when you are eating. Chew the food properly means जब आप भोजन कर रहे हो भोजन को अच्छे से चबाओ, so that it could be divided into teeny parts and your stomach could digest it. ताकि भोजन छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में बट जाए और आपका स्टमक उसे डाइजेस्ट कर सके. ओके, इसलिए भोजन को क्या करना चाहिए? चबाना चाहिए. एंड वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग. खाना खाने से पहले एंड खाना खाने के बाद आपको अपने हाथों को अच्छे से धोना है. एंड वॉश फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर यू ईट देम. जब आप खाते हो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स को, उससे पहले उन्हें अच्छे से धो लो, सो दैट the germs and bacteria from their surface could be removed. And the last one is you should drink adequate water so that your food should be digested. So, children, here what we read that how many types of food we take, sources of food, and vegetarians, non-vegetarians. Okay, how many times we eat take meal in a day. So, here our chapter ends. Thank you, children.